here you are. Come on up. Avram, editorial director for Laptop Magazine and Tom's Guide. When he's not playing with the latest gadgets at work or putting on VR helmets at trade shows, you'll find him rooting his phone, taking apart his PC, or teaching his kids to program. Avram, you've got a tough job. This is the last contestant for Last Gadget Standing.
Thanks, everyone. By the way, I'm now editor-in-chief of Tom's Hardware, so yay, promotion. Anyway, I just wanted to talk for a little bit about Kano. Kano is a company that knows that even though they're making a magic wand, the real magic is teaching kids how to program. Their computer kit taught my 6-year-old how to use Linux, and the Harry Potter coding wand that you're about to see teaches kids about the magic of code.
Oh, well, I have two. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for that generous intro, Avram. My name's Alex Klein. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Kano. We demystify technology. We make it simple and fun for anyone to understand and make technology, not just use it. So here we are at the Cool Electric Stuff conference. We're surrounded by these monoliths. There are 20 billion cool electric devices in the world connected to one another today, but only 50 million people can speak their language. That's not a 1%, that's a 1% of 1%. Those people, the programmers, the machine learning specialists, they're contemporary wizards. They speak a language that the rest of us don't understand. They operate below the surface of the day-to-day, and they write the rules of reality. So this product, the Harry Potter Kano coding kit, allows you to build a real wand, learn to code, and make magic. It's the first interactive wand that actually works with software. On Christmas Day, every second, a kid or a beginner around the world coded and created their own spell. I'll show you a quick video, and then all of us living in digital times, we're going to code our own spell, create our own spell together. Hopefully, it won't go poorly. Okay, let's go. Cool. So we started out with a simple computer that my little cousin Mika could build himself. And from there, if we go back to the screen, once you've got your wand and once you've built it and brought it to life, you connect to the Kano app, which runs on iOS, Android, Mac, PC, and of course on the Kano computer kit. And I'll just give you a quick illustration of a pre-made creation, and then I'll show you a little bit more. So here we are inside the app. That's the code on the left. As you can see, the wand is picking up where I put it exactly. Nice figure eights. As I flick up, our beans go big. As I flick down, they go small. I'll show you some more. We've got some beautiful fire here. There we go. Some Bluetooth disturbance in this room, but nothing too devastating. And then, how do we actually learn how to do this? Somebody shout out a color for me. Okay, we got some blue smoke now. Fantastic. And right now, since we've got blue smoke, let me zoom in. Let's make the sound water rather than, there we go, lovely water there. And as we do this, we get the real JavaScript over here, which is outputted. Simple blocks of code, step by step, become real creations that you can share and mess around with. Okay, let's just start to have some fun. And none of this is planned. This is all improvised. We're going to say object create named Al. We'll pick him up. He can fly around. We got all sorts of objects and inventions and ideas from the world of Harry Potter. As I scroll through, somebody shout out something they like. Butterbeer, somebody is thirsty. So we've created a butterbeer. Let's say wall 1 moving up, object create butterbeer. Now as I wave my wand up, here come the butterbeers. I think as we create butterbeer, we should get a sound. Let's say speaker, play, wand cast. Very nice. So the wand, through machine learning, recognizes hundreds of gestures and motions. Let's try Wingardium Leviosa. Wingardium Leviosa. We could change that. We could change that gesture to Bombarda. Bombarda. And it follows exactly where I place it.
Alex, we're gonna have to code. Move on.
Okay, that would be a sequence. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, so our goal is to demystify technology. I would be honored to have your vote for the very first Harry Potter coding kit and an interactive wand you make and code yourself. Yeah. Yes.